Hey everyone, it's Kirk here again at Option Alpha. So, as you all have already seen, DeepSeek came out over the weekend and has literally rocked the markets. This truly was a Black Swan event for NVIDIA because now this new competitive AI technology is out. It doesn't honestly matter if it is faster or cheaper or whatever. What matters is that it presents a new level of uncertainty and risk in the market for all tech, and for particular any stocks that are related to AI or any companies who've invested in AI and have invested millions of dollars and are looking for a return on their investment, maybe thinking maybe they overspent money if they're not spending it in the right place, because this came out of left field and basically a massive disruption to the industry. So markets were down today. The last time I checked before I headed out for the day, I saw that NVIDIA was down almost 18%, near the session lows of the day. And so the lesson today for options traders is, number one, position sizing, of course, becomes paramount in these types of Black Swan events. You can't be properly position sized after the event happens. You have to be position sized heading into the event. It's no different than if I'm in my car right now, like, the only way to protect myself in a car accident is to have my seatbelt on before I get into the accident, right? Like, I can't get into the accident and then put my seatbelt on. So you have to be position sized appropriately. I know some people were not position sized and learned that lesson the hard way today, but definitely that's the number one lesson for today. You got to be position sized appropriately heading into it. So if you are going to trade NVIDIA or Tesla or anything, or any of the Magnificent Seven or the NASDAQ or whatever, it doesn't matter. Just keep those position sizes really low. Keep risk-defined trades on if you can keep risk-defined trades on, which is super important for small traders. Anyway, you shouldn't be doing any not undefined naked positions with unlimited risk. Like, just don't worry about it. Do everything risk-defined. The second lesson here is, and this is going to be a tough one, is that sometimes with these opportunities that kind of come up, you have to lean into them a little bit as a trader. So not only do you have to lean into them because volatility is really high and option prices are really high, but markets are actually moving again, which means there's an opportunity to make some trades here. So I did personally make a trade in NVIDIA today, try to take advantage of the big move that it just had, the higher implied volatility premiums. We did post a link to some scans that you can use on trade ideas for NVIDIA over on our Twitter page. So you can check out our Twitter profile or X profile, whatever they call it now. And you can check those out. But I did make a trade in NVIDIA today because although I, obviously see the huge move that it has, it definitely has huge option premiums right now. And so as an option seller, I want to be leaning into that, try and take advantage of that as much as I can, but of course with a small position size. So hopefully this helps out. As always, if you need anything, let us know. And until next time, happy trading.